10 real reasons why your muscles aren't growing, and how to fix each one. If you're training hard but not growing, this video is the wake-up call you didn't know you needed. Let's be honest, the gym isn't the problem. Your strategy is struggling to build muscle despite regular workouts? If you're hitting the gym consistently but still not seeing results, you're not alone. Muscle growth, also called hypertrophy, requires more than just lifting weights. It's about combining smart nutrition, proper training technique, and long-term consistency. In this guide, we'll break down the top 10 reasons why your muscles aren't growing, and what you can do today to start seeing real gains. Think of this as your muscle growth checklist. Take notes. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. 1. You're not eating enough protein. One of the most common mistakes in muscle building is undereating protein. To promote muscle repair and growth, aim for about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. Without it, your muscles can't recover properly, and you risk gaining fat instead of lean mass. This isn't guesswork. It's backed by sports science and real-world results. Get this wrong, and all your training might go to waste. 2. You're not in a caloric surplus. No calorie surplus equals no muscle gain. To build new muscle tissue, your body needs more calories than it burns. If you're not gaining at least 0.25 to 0.5 kilograms per week, increase your intake. Just don't rely solely on tracking apps. Watch your weight trends weekly. Still skinny after all those workouts? Sounds familiar? Wait until you hear the next one. 3. Poor exercise form. Bad form limits results and increases injury risk. Focus on full range of motion, controlled reps, and mind-muscle connection, especially on key movements like squats, deadlifts, bench press. And row's technique is more important than how much you lift. It doesn't matter how heavy you lift. If your form is trash, the gains won't come. What you're doing might look like training, but your muscles know the truth. 4. Not training hard enough. Muscles grow when they're challenged. If you're always finishing your sets easily, you're not going hard enough. Push each set close to muscle failure 1 to 3 reps away. That's where the magic happens. Training to failure isn't just for bodybuilders. It's for anyone who actually wants results. This alone could be the game changer. 5. Low training volume. 2 sets per muscle won't do much. For serious hypertrophy, target 5 to 8 hardworking sets per muscle group each session. That ensures you're providing enough stimulus for growth. More volume doesn't mean overtraining. It means stimulating growth. You don't build a house with 2 bricks. 6. Training frequency is too low. Most muscles need to be trained at least twice a week for optimal growth. If you're only hitting chest or biceps once per week, don't be surprised if they aren't growing. Split routines or full body programs can help increase frequency. You're not overtraining, you're understimulating. Let's go deeper. This next one surprises even experienced lifters. 7. Lack of consistency. The most advanced program means nothing if you're skipping workouts. Muscle building is a long-term game. You don't need to be perfect, but you do need to be consistent. Skipping 1 week can set you back more than you think. I've been there. Motivated 1 week, missing the next. It's frustrating to feel stuck. Consistency is the key to everything. 8. Overtraining without recovery. Yes, there's such a thing as too much. If you feel constantly fatigued, unmotivated, and your strength is dropping, you might be overtraining. Take a deload week, reduce your volume, and prioritize rest. You're not lazy. You're possibly overreaching. Muscles grow when you rest, not just when you lift. Take a step back to move forward stronger. 9. Wrong exercises or rep ranges. Not all exercises work for everyone. If barbell curls don't activate your biceps, try dumbbells or cables. If heavy squats hurt your knees, test higher reps or machines. Adapt your training to what works for your body. Barbell curls don't hit your biceps. Try cables, try dumbbells, adapt or plateau. Your body isn't a textbook. Test what works. 10. Not listening to your body. Everyone's body responds differently. The best athletes constantly adjust based on how they feel and what gets results. Experiment, track, and evolve. What worked last year may not work today. Your training should evolve, just like your body. What worked 6 months ago may not work today. Let's recap. If your muscles aren't growing, it's likely due to one or several of these 10 reasons. But the good news? Every single one is fixable. Stop guessing. Start growing. The answers are here. Now it's your turn to act. Want to build muscle faster and smarter? If you're serious about muscle growth, you need more than motivation. You need a system. Use tools and apps that track your progress, adjust your training and nutrition, and keep you accountable. The key to sustainable hypertrophy isn't more effort, it's smarter effort. If this helped you, hit subscribe. Your future self will thank you. Need a smart system to train and eat right? Check the links below. We've got free tools, ebooks, and videos to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. Now go make those gains.